When Curtis Leopardo, founder of We the Studios, came to me, he had a problem most growing production companies face. The content was working, the talent was there, but the media was chaos. Curtis had been scaling production faster than the infrastructure could keep up with. He did bring on a media manager, a capable one, named Raj, but even one sharp person can't outrun a system that doesn't exist.
Before we had this system, storage was my number one problem, and I was literally like running out of room. There's no clean solution for where the next project was going to live.
The media was everywhere. Storage was a crisis. Google Drive was the transfer method, which meant days of uploading, days of downloading, and chaos on arrival. The post-production system for the streaming platform wasn't broken. There was no system, so we built one. First, we standardized the architecture. Every project now starts from the same exact folder structure.
When you showed me that folder structure, I immediately thought, like, why didn't we start here?
Then we replaced Google Drive with Lucid Link. The shared media system on Lucid creates full transparency. Everyone gets to see everyone else's work and process.
The Lucid Link setup changed everything for me. I'm not the gatekeeper of the media anymore. The system is.
Then we layered in AI, not as a gimmick, as infrastructure. We broke down their shoot days into scene string outs so we could transcribe clean dialogue, the sweet spot for LLMs.
We took your string outs, chunked it into scenes, cleaned up the audio, made the transcript in Adobe Premiere, and then exported paper cuts.
The AI paper cut gave editors a head start, which I actually didn't know was possible.
We're not replacing editors, we're removing redundant labor. And here's what it means financially.
That's what will save Curtis the $100,000 across all episodes this year.
Editors now begin from these paper cuts. They know the expectations and they deliver back into the shared system.
Curtis can bring in a new editor tomorrow, and I don't have to panic about onboarding them into chaos.
We developed an SOP that leverages AI tools that help edit teams deliver to standard. ChatGPT can assist with color settings, 11 Labs to clone character voices for narrative fixers or voiceover, and Adobe Podcast to clean up production dialogue tracks before the final output. Last but not least, we used Monday.com for workspace management, so all deliverables can be managed and organized in one central location. And communication between teams and time zones now all happens on one channel. We built it, Raj runs it, and Curtis trusts it. He knows he can scale his business without it collapsing under its own media weight. Most studios run solely on talent and hope. The bet we made here was on process. Once process is into place, scale becomes predictable, and that's what we build. Not edits, but systems.
Honestly, this is anyone's game right now, and I want to be the person who already knows how to run it.